Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. Now today I'm there with some good vibes story. Now Mrs. Shenseea upload a video where she is doing karaoke and she has sing one of her song. The song is called Bad Habit and it depend on the same rhythm where Vibes Cartel tics and depend. Now I know a Romish rhythm but I never know say other song depend the rhythm. You know it happen from time to time we miss song. So I never know that Shenseea song ya. But people, the way how Shenseea deal with that song ya, I'm very impressed to say the least. Now we can see the passion when she has sing it and like Shenseea ready for us go back on the stage and do what she do, right? You can see it, so she missed the stage. So the one little time she decide to go karaoke or I do little karaoke and I sing the song, you know what I mean? She put that energy there in there. But me I go make you see it for yourself so you can understand what me I talk about. Here goes the video.
Gotta go bad habit. Karaoke style. Romy. Me no pretty, me no chatty, me no look come out and must see confident. Cause somebody is little like a cold cabby. The way me make a happy shape faster than a Bugatti. Make me happy, eyes like a jet in a low in a TV. Legs spread out like champagne. Pussy hot, full of shake like a honey. Daddy, pretty like a toy. Me want all to jump up in a me party. But I make me pack it up a bit. Party come up in a the me a go ice it up a bit and make me it's like a tennis, yes, people wanna ask if I bring me to it now with me boom, 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 boom. See, don't panic. Anyone make it down when you have it, trust him and it just wants to relax. Embrace not be racket. Don't you talk up any bad habits. Don't come over to me, you'll be like a come on, right now, I mean, I got the love.
Yeah man, big up yourself, Shenseea. Anytime you see nobody a sing no song or a DJ nothing and you see them close their eyes, you know say that's it people. Them really in the moment and in the vibes. You see it. So big up Shenseea pan that. I love to see that video there a while ago. And it looked like a she, Mataran and Romishi did it from what she said in the caption. In the caption she said, I do it on the track and in real life. LOL. Brought to you by my DJ voice at Romish Entertainment. Hashtag Bad Habit. Here at Tony Mataran round there and mix the rhythm. So when we hear the rhythm chip out, you know what I mean, and come out back, that's what she talk about mix. Most people know, but just for who no know. Now I just want to shout out to one of my subscribers real quick. I want to shout out to the Blake family, right? I'm going to put the link in the first comment so you can click and go check out them channel. It's a family vlog channel, people. You know what I mean? A long time and they support me. It's only right that I big them up and say, yeah. You know what I mean? And go and check out the channel and want to subscribe, turn on the bell. Alright? So big up the Blake family once again. So the next thing I want to show is a video with Yanique. You know, say a politics time at Jamaica and everybody are wear them colors. So it looked like Yanique accidentally, or she wasn't just thinking about it. You know what I mean? She put on a color. And then she go out and when she realized, when she out there, she realized that everybody in a color and she in a color too. So me I go show another video. Alright, here goes.
Alright guys, since I'm here on the road, supposed to forget about the election and then the summer. I have this cute outfit from Yolanda's and I decided to rock it. It's orange. And then I'm here at a restaurant, only to see the table across from me, everybody in a green. I'm one of them understand say, I really just want to go home and change the clothes I come here. Never remember. Sweet Lord. So
yeah, people, so that going with Yanique. So if you go today and you know want intentionally wear your colors, be aware, right? Because remember say today election day. So a day like today, if you go out and you not intentionally wear the color, just be aware of what you're wearing, okay? But I don't know, I just show you and I tell you because we see this with Yanique. It probably would have never crossed my mind too if we never see it happen to Yanique. But big up Yanique and big up every Jamaican. You see what I say? Said wise, no matter what party you say, big up yourself. Alright, so let's move on, people. So let's talk about Spice. So the real Spice fan them know when Spice go up on tour, she like to take her Jamaican food with her, right? Sometimes we see she pack her bully beef and her tin mackerel them and things like those. So Spice go on restaurant. Obviously it's not Jamaica, right? I think it's somewhere in America. We just assume, we don't know still. But she asked for a special Jamaican item. and they never know what she talk about. But it's all fun and joke though, people. So I'm going to show you the video and we will see what we are talking about, what that item is. Here goes the video.
And a Coke.
Strawberry lemonade Coke.
You sell the one that's made from the bar.
No.
What's
You
tough
don't sell
crackers?
tough crackers? One cup of tea and some tough crackers. Gas. You know gas, Alex? You don't know when you have gas?
Gas bubbles in your stomach?
Gas?
Yeah.
I know what she was saying.
I hate her.
Yeah, I want 2 tough crackers right now and a cup of tea.
What's a tough cracker? What's that?
Tough crackers?
What
I drop.
Even though we know see a joke spice I make right there, so this is a Jamaican thing. Enough Jamaican love them tough crackers in the morning with a cup of tea or whatever. And when we think say spicy the all joke, she actually mentioned about the tough crackers. So in the caption of this video, she said, "It doesn't matter where in the world I go to eat. All I need first is 2 Jamaican tough crackers and a cup of Milo tea. Bust the gas." Yeah, man, tough crackers and Milo tea, man, I eat that. You see me, I say, so big up all our people, them will love stuffed crackers like spice, you know. I mean, it's not everybody think, probably not, but we know say a lot of Jamaican like that. So big up on yourself, all right? So people, now I just want to say thank you for watching this video, you know what I mean, and give us a comment on one of these stories if you will. And if it's your first time on this channel and you haven't subscribed and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribed, thank you for subscribing and welcome to the family. For my long-time subscribers, thank you very much for being here with us and making the thing work and make it worthwhile doing these videos. Thank you for watching, everybody. Have a wonderful day, night, whatever time it is, wherever you are, and stay safe. Big up.
Got a bad habit. Karaoke style. Promise. Me no kitty, me no chatty, me no look come out, I'm a sit and feeling. Cause somebody says little like a pork cabby. The way me make a happy shape faster than a Bugatti. Make me in a big life like a day in a low in a TV. Legs spread out like chapali. Pussy fat full of shit and like a honey. Daddy is pretty like a fry. Me want a happy jump up in a me party. But a baby, pack it up a bit. Party come up in a the ear, me a go high sit up a bit and make me it's like a tennis, yes, simple man a arms. If a bit me turn it on with the boom, 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 boom. See don't panic. Anyone make it down when you have to trust him and it just wants to relax. Embrace it, now be ready. Don't be talk up, take it for that is. Don't come over for me, go be jumping like a come on, run up and down, I mean, I got the love thing.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.